With no fancy controls and no adjustable polar patterns or EQ settings, at first glance this Lewitt LCT 240 Pro condenser microphone doesn't seem very pro at all really. In practice, it's one of the best sounding budget microphones I've ever used. This is the Lewitt LCT 240 Pro condenser microphone. It goes for around £110 or $150 and is focused squarely on the beginner home recording crowd. In this video, I'll take a closer look at what makes this microphone a wee bit special and see how it compares to other microphones in its price range. Before that though, here's what comes in the box. In the LCT 240 Pro's package, you will find some documentation, a handy dandy travel bag for the microphone, the Lewitt LCT 240 Pro microphone itself, a purpose-built shock mount, a branded windscreen, and a branded Live Strong-like rubber bracelet that will no doubt trigger PTSD-like flashbacks to messy drunken nights out for anyone who was around in the early to mid-2000s. A strange addition for sure, as no one with any shred of dignity or fashion sense would be seen dead wearing one of these nowadays. When it comes to build quality, this microphone is exceptional. Its fully metal construction and decent amount of heft gives it a far more premium feel than that modest price tag would suggest. And happily that carries over to the shock mount and windshield too. As I mentioned at the top of the video, the LCT 240 Pro has zero extra features, so when it comes to setting up, it's just a case of attaching an XLR cable to the mic's connection, then hooking it up to your audio interface of choice. And honestly, seeing as this microphone is marketed more towards beginners, its simplicity is a good thing, I think. Plug it in, hit record, and capture some great sounding recordings. And as we'll find out, it's the quality of sound that the LCT 240 Pro captures that sets it apart from other microphones at this price range. Spec heads full specifications are on screen now, the main points being its frequency range of 20 to 20,000 Hz, dynamic range of 123 decibels, and impedance of 100 ohms. Also, as this is a condenser microphone, note you will need to use 48 volt phantom power to use it. The LCT 240 Pro is a cardioid pattern microphone, meaning it will capture sound from directly in front of it. As you can hear as I rotate the microphone, it will still capture sounds from other directions, so bear that in mind if you plan to record in a large, untreated room, for example. The Lewitt LCT 240 Pro is a really good all-rounder microphone that does a great job of capturing vocals, acoustic instruments and, as you can hear, voiceover. You will probably want to make use of the included windshield however, as it doesn't deal with plosives too well when recording au natural. Peter Piper picked a piece of pickled pepperoni? Is that right? Peter Piper picked a piece of priceless pepperoni. Maybe. So the Lewitt LCT 240 Pro sounds good then, but how does it compare to other microphones in its class? This is the Behringer C1 condenser microphone. Costs around $50 or £40 and is one of the cheapest decent condenser microphones around right now. This is the Aston Element condenser microphone. It also comes as part of a bundle that includes a shock mount and windshield, and it costs around £60 or $70. And this is the Rode NT1, one of my absolute favourite microphones for recording vocals and guitars. It also comes bundled with a free shock mount and windshield and costs around £200 or $250. And here's the Lewitt LCT 250 Pro again. You are getting a whole lot of microphone for your 110-ish quid here. Lewitts have a great reputation for making super duper high quality microphones at the more pricey end of the market. And it seems like they've brought so much of that experience to this wallet-friendly entry-level model. The LCT 240 Pro sounds better than any microphone at the sub £150 price point has any right to. Add in the fact you're getting a custom shock mount and windshield here as well, and you're left with what is probably the best all-round condenser microphone in the sub £150 price bracket. All of that makes this an easy recommendation for anybody looking for a cheap as chips, great sounding condenser microphone to add to their studio setup, but especially a good deal for beginners who are maybe looking to buy their first microphone. This is cracking. I highly recommend it. Let me know your thoughts on the Lewitt LCT 240 Pro in the comments, and if you could give that like button a wee bit of slap and tickle on the way past, I'd really appreciate it. Chances are, if you're looking for a new microphone, you're in the market for an audio interface too. Watch this next for some of my favourites from this year.